No matter what you're gaming on, whether that be an Xbox, a Windows 10 PC, or a mobile device, hearing what's going on around you is key. Though it's not just your enemy's footsteps, it could be the tranquil background music or the cinematic opening cutscene. So why not let the new Xbox wireless headset allow you to hear what you want? Now, it's been a while since Microsoft have released a headset. In fact, for a while now, if you were looking for a first party, you had two choices, the stereo or chat headset. Though there has been a benefit to the wait, as now we have a whole host of new and up-to-date technology to give you the best experience. So let's check out what we've got in the box. As you'd expect, the first thing you've got is the headset itself. You get rid of the packaging and you've got the instruction manuals and the all-important USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So when looking at the headset itself, it doesn't look too dissimilar to the other headsets that are out on the market. You have your cushioned ear cups and headband for comfort on those long gaming sessions, as well as the bendable boom mic. Though we'll talk more about the microphone later on in the video, as I think it's got some pretty cool features. What I love about this headset is that it's the details that aren't initially clear. On both ear cups you have rotatable dials, similar to what you may have seen on the Surface headphones, which control your overall volume and then also the game and chat balance. This not only allows to fine-tune those features, but gives you easy access to them. The headset itself is super easy to set up and use. Use the cable to charge up your headset from your USB device, that includes your Xbox. Once fully charged, you will get up to 15 hours of gameplay. Use the green power or sync button on the left ear cup to power on and press and hold for 4 seconds to enter sync mode. Press the sync button on your Xbox and they will automatically pair, just like any additional controllers. Sync mode also enables the Bluetooth, so if you're using a Windows PC or mobile device, just head to your Bluetooth settings and connect. It will also remember the last device you connected to and will automatically reconnect when turned back on, meaning you can jump straight back into your gameplay where you left off with quick resume on the Xbox Series X or S. The final button on the headset is the manual mute button, located on the bottom of the headset. Now, why would I say anything about a manual mute button? Well, what's cool about this microphone is that it not only has dual mics to ensure you're heard, it also has an auto mute function. So when you're not talking, your friends online won't hear anything that's going on in the background. But then when you do speak, you can be sure you'll be heard. The end also has an illuminated LED, so you know what setting your mic is currently set to avoid all of that confusion. Now, when it comes to the headset, you can say it has all the features in the world, but it really comes down to the audio quality, and the Xbox wireless headset does not disappoint. You can experience high quality with low latency virtual surround sound audio, which also supports spatial sound technologies including Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos and DTS Headphone X when using a compatible device. Now, to finish off, Xbox have always been around using your tech your way, and this headset is no different. If you're not happy with the default settings, all you have to do is open up the Xbox Accessory app, where you'll be able to custom tune the equalizer, adjust the sensitivity of the auto mute, tailor the brightness of the mic LED, and adjust the mic monitoring. Now, with the amount of gaming headsets out on the market currently, you can be spoilt for choice. But the Xbox wireless headset is light and flexible, gives you exceptional sound quality, which is easily customizable and allows for direct pairing to your devices, so no wires needed. And all for, at time of recording, £89.99 on the Microsoft Store. I personally don't think that many other headsets can compete. If you have any other questions on the headset or want to let us know what you think of them, pop a comment down below and stay tuned for more content from the Expert Zone UKI team.